So we at ROQ US are really excited to roll out the ROQ Fit. It's an exciting new press that really takes automation to a different level in a different way. A lot of entry-level shops getting into automation for the first time, they started manual, they're working out of their garage, working out of their house, and they're ready to take their business to the next level. But it's hard because you've got to think about, things like moving. Do I move out of my house? Do I move into a shop? Do I take on that lease and all those new utility payments, etc., because I need the space to be able to fit an automatic? Well, we thought through that for you. We thought of the ROQ Fit. This is a press that, no joke, can fit literally in about a 1-car garage, a little bit more. You'd probably want a 2-car garage to get it in, but this allows our at-home printers to take their business to the next level without having, to commit to all the large overhead expenses, all the stuff that comes with generally owning an automatic press. We've priced it to fit a budget, we've made it to fit in your space, and we're excited to have ROQ fit into your business.